Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Gardening again. We out here. Yeah, it's the same day. I record at the same time. I'm finna plant some cabbage. Got 12 cabbage plants when I was at the plant store today. I bought a bunch of stuff, so get ready to watch some planting videos. But planting the cabbage and potatoes, we're somewhere 2 days, 3 days past Valentine's Day. Usually in Texas you plant the potatoes on Valentine's Day, but weather was not optimal that day. All right, let me show you the cabbage. There's the cabbage, 12 plants. I'm gonna plant them at the end of the row as taters and probably have to come up here and make a few up here. But never grow cabbage, so let's see how this turns out. All right, got the cabbage planted, half of it down there, half of it right there. That ought to be more cabbage than me and Mama can eat. We'll see. Maybe I should have got 2 more deals of it. Hope y'all enjoy the little farming deals. I'll try to keep them short. Not really my thing on YouTube, but everybody calling me that, so might as well. Next video probably about the chickens or planting strawberries and blueberries. All right, I'll bring you along when I do that. We're gone. Like, share, subscribe, and we're gone.